Hi, this video we're going to show about our CoreView upcard to work with the central control system. Okay, so here's my setup. Basically, this is my PC and for the programming and also for the control, WebGI control. And this is the 7-inch touchscreen with the PoE power supply. And also we can use the application for the controlling because this one is the Android-based system. Okay, so on this side, this is our central control system with 8-port PoE switch. Okay, so now this white line cable is connected to my PC for the programming and for the controlling as well. And this 2-line cable, one is connected to this PoE switch, another one is connected to our modular matrix switcher. So on our modular matrix switcher, and we have right now I have 2 HDMI inputs, and for the control port I'm using the LAN 2. And this is the CoreView output card. And then from this CoreView output card, we also can use the oscillator commands. And if we have a oscillator cable directly connect to our control system, but just because our CoreView card, if to work with our matrix switcher, it also can support the TCP or UDP commands. So in my case, I'm just use the same LAN port on our matrix switcher. And through this LAN port, we also can send the commands to this CoreView card for the switchings. Okay, so on this CoreView output card, we have HDMI output directly to this TV here. So now it's showing us the CoreView, and now we're going to enter into the control system. Okay, so I'm just going to show on this on my PC first. Okay, enter, and now. And because this one is a 8x8, so I have 8 inputs, but currently I only have the input 1 and input 2. Okay, such as right now, if I want to switch to a full window rather than a CoreView, so just click a full screen. So now we're just showing as a full screen. I can just switch to the input 1, or switch back to the input 2. Okay, so for the switching is no problem. And we can switch to the 2-window mode or the 3-window mode or the 4-window CoreView. Okay, so this is how we use the WebGI for the controlling from a PC. We can just back to exit the full screen. So we can see this the WebGI controller, and this the for the programming. So basically for the programming we have the VN, which is we can just program from the site, such as if you want to add a logo, the words will enter here. And on this side we also got like the other, like the switching page, so we can just customize the layouts from here. And except the vision knob, and then we have the logic knob. Logic knob means like we can have the connections. So this one is actually for our 36x36 modular matrix switcher. And then this part is going to use the fill out the commands for the CoreView card. And we can see we use the TCP and this the settings. Okay, so we use TCP and this IP address of our matrix switcher, and enter the port number is 5000. Okay, and here's the commands. Okay, we can check it out. Okay, those are the commands for the CoreView working mode. Okay, so this is the logic knob and vision knob, and after these two we program, we just upload, then we can just use this one to do the controlling. Okay, so this one is the WebGI, and here's the touchscreen. Touchscreen is going to be the same as the WebGI directly. Okay, let's just back to the 3-window working mode. Just zoom a little bit. 3-win, and switch to all these screens are showing the same. Top screen, or this screen showing input 1 and 2-win working mode. 2, input 1, and back as the full screen. And back to the home page. And this one also we can just back to the home page. And we have like the full commands list for the code view card, and we are sending as the hex codes, including like the 8 working modes, and also the windows of switching, audio switching, resolution switching, and also the senders save and recall. Also, we can customize like different output resolution as well. Okay. Okay. Thank you.